So right now we need to go ahead and focus on our restaurant page. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to go to our navigations, and we're going to create a new file, and we're going to call it restaurant. Okay. It's supposed to be a restaurant page, and it has to be a JSX. So here, what we're going to do, we're going to just go ahead and visit, because we want to have a tab view in here. So the best way, we can just visit React Native Docs tab view. All the dependencies are installed already, so we can just copy this snippet that we have here. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and paste it in our page like that. So we're going to have two pages here. Okay, so this is the first route, second route. Okay, so let's save that for now. We want to change this from export to restaurant page. Okay, const the restaurant page. We just create the same way that we create a component. So it's going to be like that, and we need to export defaults right at the bottom. Like that. So when we go to our, let's go to our homepage, not homepage per se, but we want to go to nearby restaurants. So when we click on press, we're supposed to be taken to the restaurant page. Okay, so we will need to tweak it a little bit. So it's better if we tweak it while we're seeing it. Okay, so restaurant, nearby restaurant, the first thing that we're going to require is our navigation. So we need navigation. So we need to use navigation. So we're going to have consts navigation over here is equals to use navigation, and then we're going to go ahead and close it here. So we want to use this instance of our navigation to navigate to the page that we just created. Navigate, and here we're navigating to the restaurant page. So we have to hook this restaurant page in our app.json. Okay, so we have to create a new screen. Let's give it a name. Restaurant page. And we need to map it to the right component. Like that. So this is the name that we're going to use to navigate to the restaurant page. So we go back to our nearby, and here we're navigating to restaurant page. Okay. So we have our tabs here.